Tell me about egg dyeing, guys.
It's horrible.
It's really fun. It was fun. See it. Look at my eggs.
It's still not better than Christmas.
And it's cracked.
I think
What's
I'm gonna get
this?
stuffed freezer.
What's this?
I think I'm
That's
gonna.
the tie-dye stuff. Want me to show you how to use it in a minute?
Yeah.
Spencer, no more eating.
Show me your technique, Natalie.
What's a
Crack one
technique?
more over my
Show me
head.
how you've been dyeing eggs. Like, take one egg and show me what you've been doing.
You did this. Ew. That one's egg.
And then what?
And then this.
And then what?
And that.
Uh-huh.
And that.
Uh-huh.
And that. Now the cold
Was that one
one.
yours?
That one. Yes.
Hey, look,
And that
look,
one.
look, look. See?
Beautiful!
And look at the end.
Ah, crap, that pulled my hair.
It's ugly. Look at my hand.
Yes, your hands look like that every year when we do eggs, huh?
Oh,
This is your technique.
Ow, dude, you would die.
Okay, guys, no more of the smushing the eggs. Still have to eat them.
Could I have the sparkles, Sam?
I'm not gonna crush it. I'm just
I don't have
gonna.
it.
It's impossible to crush it.
Where did this? We entered those sparkles.
Can I put some on?
No.
No. Okay, spread that back for me. Okay, move, Sammy.
Let's see. The sparkles kind of cool.
Take a picture of me, Dina.
It's a movie. Talk or eat.
Gosh.